Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Abhinya Menon, your personal stylist, color analyst, and image coach. And today's video is all about looking elegant at home. For all my homemakers, for all the people who stay home, who are doing work from home, this is for you, because here we are going to spill the beans about looking beautiful, looking nice, and all that good things that you can do at home also, rather than looking like a homeless human being at home. Having a home, having good food to eat, having a good family, that should not make you look like a homeless person, right? So let's get into the video. This video में मैं I'm just want to talk about कि आप घर पे भी बहुत प्यारे लग सकते हो. It's not required कि आप घर पे shabby लगो. And you know what? You're the one who's running the house. I'm 100% sure about that. So जब आप घर चलाते हो तो you should look like a manager, not like a maid, you know. And to be very honest, let's admit this कि maids are way more well kept and they look put together than us. When you open the door, they have neat hair, they smell nice, they must have taken a bath in the morning. अपना पूरा घर का काम करके वो हमारे घर आते हैं, बिंदी होती है, अच्छे कपड़े होते हैं. Why do we look so shabby at home? I don't understand. I'm in Gangtok and I'm in Sikkim, and यहाँ मेरी maid आती है. She wear trousers and shirts when she comes, and it's so beautiful to look at. मेरा और मन करता है कि दीदी से मैं बात करूँ या मैं उनसे. I feel good when she's doing the job. Or if there is a maid who is dirty, who is not well kept, क्या मैं उनसे अपने घर का काम कराऊंगी? So that is one question you should ask. So आप खुद भी presentable लगोगे तो your kids will feel good, your husband, your family, everybody will feel nice. And this is not just for you. You should, when you follow certain rules like good food, looking good, looking beautiful, everybody get influenced. तो ये सारी चीज़ बाकी भी करने लग जाएंगे तो whole family is going to look lovely. So in my case, I always try to wear good clothes at home. Only when I'm sleeping, I'll be wearing pajamas or loose t-shirts or worn out because they're soft, so I love it that way. But throughout the day, I wear something nice. I'll always wear a jewelry like earrings, basic lip balm, lipstick, or sunscreen. Those are some very, very, very important things for me. And you know, my husband, he's also wearing jeans and t-shirts at home. I don't see him wearing loose fit pajamas and all. It's just how you present yourself, and that matters a lot. Okay, point number 1, please wear your nighties at bedtime. Yeah, please, nighty पहन के घर में घूमने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि वो हमेशा आपको एक sleepy feeling देगा. When you're dressed up, you will always be upright, you will always good to go. You will not think twice when you have to head out for something. या कोई घर में guest आते हैं तो आपको bathroom नहीं भागना पड़ेगा कि मैंने ये क्या पहन लिया. Wearing nighties, worn out clothes, oversized, unwrinkled outfits, they just drag your energy, they drain you. So ये अच्छा है जब आप सोते टाइम पहनो, amazing. But when you are normally lounging, please wear something beautiful, क्योंकि वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. कोई घर आता है तो you are look presentable, you're always there, so that matters. Good. Yes, even when you are at home, I request you to add little mist or a body perfume, deodorant, because you are working in the kitchen, you're doing something or other, बच्चों के साथ, you're working around, you're doing dusting, cleaning, whatnot. So there is a tendency to create body odor. So when you're smelling good, everything feels nice, and people around you also feel good. So try to smell good. Next point is your nails. So ladies, if you're a woman who like to keep your nails, who are regular with your manicure, pedicures, amazing. But for them who are like me, who are like me, I generally don't have artificial or acrylic nails. I cook, so mostly मेरे नाखून कट जाते हैं, so I keep it very trimmed. So what we can do is we can just keep it very trimmed, clean, and always polished, like a light transparent nail polish, or keeping them moisturized so that they look nice all the time. So you can do that, keep your nails very polished. Hairstyle, hair and makeup. So जब आप सुबह उठते हो, अगर even if you're not taking bath, for example, some people take bath in the afternoon or some take bath in the evening, it's okay. Just try to lather some sunscreen, put on some lip balm, do a nice hairstyle, be it a pony, be it a bun, anything. I'm not saying कि आप बाल खुले छोड़ के घूमो. No, just look presentable, just look very nice. So that adds up to the morning energy. You're not draining yourself, you're just looking better. Next point is to add jewelry. So बहुत बार ऐसा होता है we don't like wearing things at home, or if you like it you overdo it. So just some very basic like beautiful earrings, छोटे छोटे थोड़े से rings पहन लिए, एक watch पहन लिया, एक bracelet पहन लिया, that is good to go. या पूरे टाइम किचन में रहते हो and if you don't have any person to wash utensils, you can remove them at that time and rewear them whenever you are free, because that adds up to the beauty of the lady of the house. And that I would request that you should all be the lady of the house and look lovely all the time. Next important point, I'm sure now the question would be there कि हम घर में kitchen में रहते हैं, there are stains, there are smell, all those things, how are we going to manage? Wear an apron. I'm telling you, it saves a lot of energy to get rid of those haldi stains. So it's better कि आप apron डालो, apron से आपके कपड़े बच जाते हैं, all that extra work तो आप अच्छे भी दिख सकते हो, एप्रन के साथ आपका सारा काम भी हो जाएगा. सो डू दैट. अभी हम किचन में घुस ही गए हैं, तो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज कीप अ मॉइस्चराइजर इन द किचन. द वेरी मोमेंट व्हेन यू आर डन विद द डिशेज, आपने बर्तन साफ कर लिए हैं, तो ऑलवेज मॉइस्चराइज योर हैंड्स, बिकॉज आपके हैंड सबसे पहले एजिंग के साइंस दिखाते हैं. एंड ड्राई हैंड्स आर अनबेरेबल. पुअर थिंग, दे हैव टू जस्ट गेट रिंकल्ड वेरी अर्ली. So जैसे ही आपका बर्तन का काम खत्म होता है, moisturize your hands and they look beautiful all the time. All the lovely ladies out there, have some me time for yourself. Yes, you be the lady of the house, you be the president, you be the manager, but in your own house अगर आपको थोड़ा सा भी अपने लिए time नहीं मिलता है, where your mind is always cluttered, where you're always planning and organizing, the elegance slowly and slowly washes away from your body. So don't do that. Keep that beauty, keep that elegance in you. अपनी चाय आराम से पियो, अपना कॉफ़ी आराम से पियो. गिव योर सेल्फ दैट टाइम. क्रिएट बाउंड्रीज. ये नहीं कि आप जब चाय पी रहे हो कोई आके बोल रहे हो कि ये काम कर दो और आप तुरंत उठ के चल गए. नो, टेक योर टाइम. से नो टू दैट. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी. कुछ ज़्यादा ऊपर नीचे नहीं हो रहा है. नोबडी इज नो, आई एम श्योर देयर इज़ नो फायर इन द हाउस. सो आप अपना टाइम लीजिए. इवन इफ द किड इज डिमांडिंग समथिंग, योर हस्बैंड इज डिमांडिंग समथिंग, एन्जॉय दैट कप ऑफ टी. प्लीज़ डोंट लूज योर सेल्फ इन रेजिंग अदर्स. सबके पास दिमाग है, सबके पास हाथ है, सबके पास पैर है. दे ऑल कैन डू वर्क. You don't have to always run behind, and you don't have to lose yourself in this process. So yes, this is a beautiful message from my end. Get your me time. Give credit to yourself. Take care of your heart and take care of your mind. It's very important. If your mind collapses, everything else collapses. So elegance has to come from within, and it will come when you will take care of yourself. That's all for today, and thank you so much for being here with me, and I'll see you next time, next Sunday 6 p.m. and yeah, lots of love. Bye bye.